Hello, my name is Julia. I am single. I am from Chiquinquirá. I am 27 years old. I am nurse assisting. I study on UNAT. I live in Tunja. In my free time, I listen to music. I like to paint. I get up the morning very early. I take my dog. We usually come to breakfast like cereal, white yogurt, or egg, chocolate, and bread. I live near Black Home. Normally, I bought me lunch and usually eat and rice, chicken, vegetables, salads, some cake on bread, and natural juice, jugo, juice. When I get from work, I take my dog for walk. We go back home. We watch TV. We have dinner around 8 and go to bed and 7. One weekend in I do not have to work and visited family member in Chiquinquirá. We go for a walk and have coffee. We have lunch, cuchuco, typical and delicious food. Thank you.